In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Harvard course called Japanese Books from Manuscript to Print, enroll step by step, and earn a Harvard certificate once you complete it. This is a great opportunity if you're interested in Japanese literature, book history, manuscripts, or simply adding a globally respected credential to your profile. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so you don't miss anything. And before we dive in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to harvardonline.harvard.edu/course. This is Harvard University's official online learning platform, where they host certified courses from different departments. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses along with a search bar at the top. In the search bar, type Japanese Books from Manuscript to Print. As you type, the course should appear in the results. Click directly on the course title to open the full course page. On this page, you'll see a detailed overview of what the course covers, including the history of Japanese books, the transition from manuscripts to printed texts, and the cultural and historical significance behind them. Take a moment to review the course description, syllabus, and instructor information so you know exactly what you're signing up for. When you're ready, scroll down and click on the Enroll button. At this stage, you'll be prompted to either sign in or create an account using your email address. Make sure you use an email you have regular access to, as this is where your course updates and certificate information will be sent. After creating your account or signing in, you'll be asked to fill in your personal details and proceed to payment. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, enter your payment information, and complete the checkout process. Once your enrollment is confirmed, you'll gain full access to the course materials. From here, you can start learning at your own pace, watching lectures, reading course content, and completing any required activities. As you progress through the course and successfully complete all the required sections, you'll become eligible for a Harvard Certified Certificate. This certificate can be used on your resume, LinkedIn profile, or academic portfolio to showcase your achievement from Harvard University. And that's it. You've now learned how to access the Japanese Books from Manuscript to Print course, enroll through Harvard Online, and work your way toward becoming Harvard certified. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.